Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the new clearance markdowns and penny list info for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a few other videos that you might want to go and check out. We just received new coupons, we do have new run glitch deals, and tons of overage right now at Dollar General. Plus we have tons of clearance going on at Walgreens, so make sure that you go and check out part 1 and part 2 of my Walgreens videos. All of those will be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now I do want to give you all a quick heads up. Please watch the video all the way through because we do have some very important details this week. Typically, I would be saying all of these markdowns and price changes will begin starting on Tuesday. However, nothing is happening on Tuesday this week. Everything's just a little bit all over the place. So let's go ahead and take a look. So for our new clearance markdown, we have the New Year's party supplies dropping down to 50% off starting on Monday. Now, a quick heads up on this category. I'm not sure that all stores received these items. I know I have checked 4 stores in my area, and I haven't even found one New Year's party item. Not a paper plate, a cup, a hat, a bowl, a balloon, nothing. So you guys, let me know about it down in the comment section below. Are you seeing these items out there? Now, for our next clearance update, this is a big change that everybody needs to be aware of. So last Tuesday, we had our Trim a Tree and Trim a Gift categories. They dropped down to 50% off. However, this week, Dollar General has changed their mind, and they are putting those items back to full price starting on Wednesday, January the 3rd. And these categories do include the gift wrap, tissue paper, gift boxes, boxed bows, outdoor decor, the trees, tree topper, lighted bows, novelty, basic, and candle lights. So I'm not quite sure what DG has up its sleeve. We all know that they could pull a fast one on us, and this stuff could be marked down to 70% off next week. Who knows what they have planned out. But as of right now, all of those items will jump back up to full price starting on Wednesday. So if you want to grab some of this stuff at 50% off, go and do that before Wednesday. Now, as for the rest of our Christmas categories, everything's pretty much staying the same this week. We have our Christmas seasonal category sitting at 50% off. That does include all of those really pretty home decor items. We also have our Christmas socks and apparel. Those will also stay at 50% off. Next up, we have our Christmas party and stationery sitting at 50% off. So be on the lookout for those paper plates, cups, and napkins. There are different designs out there. And then we also have our Christmas air care sitting at 25% off. Now, I do have a quick little update on this category for you all because we do have the Febreze Holiday Scented Air Effects. Here we have the 1 count. These are currently priced at $2.44. We just received a new digital coupon for $3.30 off of 2. So if you pick up 2, that's going to make your final price $1.58 for 2. Keep in mind you can mix and match with the cents. Just make sure that you scan the item before you go up to the register. Now, we also have the 2 count of the Febreze Air Effects Holiday Scents, of course. Those are priced at $4.13 each right now. Pick up 2 packs. You can use the $3.30 off 2 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $4.96 for 2 packs. All right, next up we have our Christmas candy still at 25% off, as well as the Christmas bath and gift sets. Also sitting at 25% off. We have our Christmas baking and pet at 25% off. And right along with it, we have our Christmas picnic category at 25% off. And I do want to go ahead and let you all know that I have been working on those visual videos for all the different categories. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on those videos. Now, let's talk about the penny list for this week at Dollar General. Unfortunately, once again, we do not have a new penny list for this week. However, do not let that deter you from going out and penny shopping, because I'm still finding hidden and surprise pennies everywhere. In fact, I just told you all about another one in the video earlier today, so make sure that you guys go back and check that one out. And one last thing before you all go, we do have a buy one, get one free home sale going on right now until January the 4th. And this sale does include the blankets, toss pillows, kitchen and dish towels, kitchen organization, dinnerware, bath accessories, and floral. So make sure that you guys check out that sale. Keep in mind it does exclude the red dot, brown dot, and Christmas items. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now, but like I always say, stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.